I have gone through tons of tools in my career as a master technician, and there's certain tools that have really shocked me and impressed me because of how awesome they are and how they have actually helped me during a job. So in this particular situation, we're going to be talking about hoses, clamps, and tools that make those things super easy to deal with. So this tool was originally built to remove clips, specifically trim clips, and the way that it works is you get underneath it and then you press the handle down and it pops the clip off and it makes it easy. But here recently I have worked on 4 or 5 different coolant jobs, and I can tell you that this tool is insane because it has a secret purpose. I've used this on coolant hoses, vacuum hoses, all types of hoses in the car. And the reason why it works is because it's better and stronger than what you could do with your hand. So let me give you an example. You expect that a hose should come right off, whatever it's on, a pipe or whatever, but sometimes that pipe and that hose have melded. They have like become one. And no matter how many times you turn it or you try to break that seal, you're really left to trying to pry it with a screwdriver. And the thing about that is you could actually damage the pipe. Little did I know that there's an actual tool that's made for that. I just found this one to do the same thing. Here is an example. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tool right here. I'm gonna put it where it could move it and then push it off, and it's off. But I'm gonna put a link for that tool as well, so you can have the exact tool that does the job that I made this one do. And if you need a trim tool, you can get this one as well. This tool has helped me out so much throughout the years that I need to pull up a chair in Thanksgiving dinner for it because it is absolutely amazing. Now, first off, what does it do? It helps you take off clamps. And the reason why this is important is because clamps can be in any type of orientation and can be at any angle. And sometimes you just can't get your hand in there or a tool, and this bad boy does it. We're gonna show you how it works. So first off, let's give you a quick orientation of the tool. You're gonna press down and then it locks itself, and then to release the lock, it's gonna be this blue button. Look how thin the end is. And what this does is that these ears, whenever you clamp them down, these ears are gonna close and then they lock. So this clamp on here is on there. Put the ears over the clamp and then you're gonna go ahead and lock it down. And as you can see right now, it's locked down, meaning I let go of it, I can move this around. I can either put it on, take it off, and then if I want to release it, I'm gonna go ahead and go over here. I'm gonna press down and then I'm gonna press on this blue button and it's gonna release it. And this is helpful because whenever you're taking off a clamp, you usually need a lot of space with traditional tools. Look how much space you need to use this tool, or even to use, your multi-tool. This allows you to get to clamps and get a hold of them in the tightest spots and the most interesting angles. This is a game changer, and it's a must whenever you're dealing with coolant jobs or major hose jobs. We're gonna put both of the Amazon Prime links in a description. Having these tools alone in your tool bag is gonna make any coolant hose job or clamp job easy as pie. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching another video. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.